Getting back to some track and field now, Annataseca Blackwood of Sydney Pagan STEM Academy posted 4 minutes of 56.60 seconds to win the Class 1 girls 1500 meters, shattering the old mark of 5 minutes 03.54 in the morning session at the Western High School's Athletics Championships held at GC Foster College in St. Catherine on a Saturday.
It was hard because Minister Storm come damage our schools and we have to be training in the dark and all kind of stuff. So maybe that gives me a inspiration to come out here and run a time.
Meanwhile, Sharian Connolly of Magotty High won the boys 1500 in 4 minutes 07.05 ahead of Tywayne Sterling of William Knibb and Irek Givens also of Magotty. In other events in the morning session, William Knibb's pair of Rajon Riley 14.38 and O'Shea Johnson 14.53 were first and second respectively in the boys Class 1 110-meter hurdles, with Green Island's Jaron Jones finishing third. Deshaun Johnson was the fastest overall in the boys Class 2 event, clocking 14.77 seconds to win Heat 2 ahead of Cornwall College's Drayden Knight. Raheem Solomon of Stets won Heat 1 ahead of Herbert Morrison Technical's Jamal Graham and Green Island's Dimitri Johnson. William Knibb's Jamali Leng outsped Stets's Giovanni Ray Little to win Class 3, with Leng's teammate O'Neill Brown finishing second. On the girls' side, the 100-meter hurdles Class 1 went to Stets's Martinia Senior ahead of Mount Alvernia's Vedita Vidal. Gabrielle Bird of William Knibb won the girls' Class 2 event in 16.17 seconds ahead of Stets's Venice Plummer and Petersfield High's Michaelia Lewis. And at sports time, Stets lead the boys section with 334 points ahead of William Knibb 246, Monroe College 242, Herbert Morrison Technical 107 and Cornwall College 89 points, rounding out the top 5. On the girls' side, Mount Alvernia are on 245 points, followed by Stets on 210, William Knibb 137, Sydney Pagan 93, completing the top 5 is Lacovia on 98 points.